Hi, I'm Phil Hundle. This is a continuation of our series on the condemnation process, the steps. I'm an attorney. My practice area focuses on representing landowners in condemnation and also partition cases. We're focusing on condemnation and the steps. We are now at step 5, and this is when the judge, the court appoints special commissioners. So um, you've, the petition's been filed. Now at this stage, the court is going to appoint special commissioners. Um, Take a look at those special commissioners and provide feedback to your attorney. I have had clients that will be favorable on those special commissioners. And who are the special commissioners? The special commissioners are land residents of that county that are hopefully familiar with land matters and land issues. We see, what do we see primarily? We see realtors being appointed. We see attorneys being appointed, real estate attorneys being appointed. Sometimes we see uh, more suburban areas. We see, frankly, family law and criminal law attorneys appointed. But in rural counties, we'll oftentimes see farmers and ranchers that are very knowledgeable on land being appointed, or once again, realtors being appointed. So it varies who will be appointed. Oftentimes, courts or judges will have a pool of, I don't know, 10 or 12 people that they will appoint. And they're always, I think, the courts are always looking for folks that are fair and going to, take in the evidence and try to make as fair a decision as possible based upon the evidence, is what my experience has been. Now, once again, it's important for you to provide feedback to your attorney. Your attorney will undoubtedly do their own research and background investigation of the different persons, appointed as special commissioners. Why? I mean, I've seen, I've had a few appointees or people that were appointed special commissioners that actually had a relationship with the condemnor. They didn't work for the condemnor, but they were on some voluntary boards of the condemnor, and they had a relationship with the condemnor. And so that was important information for us. And so we'll talk next about the next step of striking those special commissioners, or how special commissioners are stricken. So with that, we'll move on to the next step. On the timing of this step, we'll talk about it, but it kind of varies on the law. Recently changed because there wasn't a deadline by the court or a requirement by the court to appoint special commissioners. I think it was reasonably promptly, or fairly soon after the special or after the petition was filed, but that wasn't cleared. And so now the law has been revised, and this is, I think, in 1 or 2 legislative sessions ago. It seems like a long time ago, but the judge appoints these 3 special commissioners within 30 days of the petition being filed. So once again, there is a timing now of when the court needs to have appointed these special commissioners. All right, we're moving on to the next step.